The overall goal of this protocol is to demonstrate optimized shaping and training procedures for fully automated visual cognitive tasks and simultaneous neural data acquisition in rats using a floor projection maze. This is achieved by integrating video tracking and neural data acquisition systems with a behavioral control system that is capable of delivering task-relevant stimuli and intracranial reward according to the animal's behavior. After rats learn to hold a stationary ready position in the center of the arena, target images appear that require a relevant behavioral response according to the task rules. Time-stamped neural data for peri-event analyses show neural correlates to the ready position, the onset of target image presentation, and other task-relevant events.
What's great about this technique is that the floor projection maze takes advantage of behavioral and anatomical evidence that rats process visual information in their lower visual hemifield. Also, tasks designed in this apparatus take advantage of rats' natural tendency to explore the environment. Finally, a whole multitude of visually guided cognitive tasks can be designed to explore cognitive function in rodent models.
We developed the floor projection maze for better validity and translational relevance for studies conducted in humans and non-human primates. This technique has a better application for understanding human disorders of memory and attention because these disorders involve processing of visual information.
The floor projection maze is an open field without walls. A rear projection screen serves as the floor of the apparatus. Any shaped maze or arena can be placed on the floor.